Accepting ACH payments from your users is easy and cost-effective. It's like accepting a check, only way faster. But, just like a check, an ACH payment can fail due to insufficient funds. This is where Balance can help. With Balance, you can retrieve the real-time balance for all linked accounts on any item. This allows you to verify the amount of money the user has available to spend before initiating a debit, helping you to reduce return rates and non-sufficient funds fees. While many other Plaid products also return balance information, this data is cached. For products that request frequent updates, like transactions, cached balance may be hours or days old, and with products that don't frequently update, like auth or identity, it could be weeks or even months out of date. Only the balance endpoint guarantees you'll receive fresh, real-time balances every time you call it. To use Balance, you'll also need to be using at least one other Plaid product. Typically, this would be the product you plan to use for actually moving the money, like auth or transfer. Balance is particularly important if you're using auth. Transfer already checks real-time balances by default as part of the authorization flow, but you can call Balance separately instead if you want to build custom decision logic. To get started with Balance, create an item initializing link with the other products you plan to use. You won't put Balance in the products array. Because balance data is always fetched on demand, it's not necessary to tell Plaid to get it in advance. Then, whenever you need to check balance, like when your customer is about to send you money, call accounts balance get. Plaid will contact the user's financial institution and retrieve their real-time balances. You'll typically receive two balance values. The current balance reflects the amount of money the user currently has in their account. The available balance reflects how much money your user has available to spend, taking into account any held deposits or pending withdrawals, and is the preferred value to use when determining if the user has the funds to cover a transfer. After accounts balance get has returned data, you can compare their balance returned to the amount of the proposed ACH transfer and decide whether to allow the transaction or ask the user to provide a different funding source. To further reduce risk and improve conversion on your payments flows, you can also pair Balance with other products like Signal. Because Balance fetches data from the user's bank in real time, it can sometimes take a little while to return a response. For situations where low latency is really critical, one approach is to call Signal first, then call Balance if Signal indicates a high-risk transaction. This has been Plaid Balance in 3 minutes. If you want to find out more about Balance, check out our documentation and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can find out about new tutorials as soon as they're available. Happy plaiding!